Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're having an issue on Windows 10 where projecting to this PC is disabled and you cannot modify or access any of those settings are all grayed out on your Windows 10 laptop, desktop, or tablet computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in optional features. Best result should say underneath settings, manage optional features, or one of the best results. Go ahead and select that. And then select versus add a feature. And then you want to search for wireless display. Check mark the box next to it, and then select add. Give it a moment to install here. And it should say added. Now you want to close out of here and then restart your computer. And that's all you have to do. So then the settings should become visible and you should be good to go. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.